Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 39. Today was a day of purity tests and spreading discouragement and anger. So it's really important on days like today to hear about our fighters. Veronica Escobar literally commented on my post with her video explaining why she did what she did at the joint address. It's an incredible video. You have to watch it. And then later in the day, she commented again to clarify that when she said in the video that she wants to hear from people, she didn't just mean her constituents. She wants ideas on how she can be a better fighter from all of us. You heard about Al Green being censured, and you heard about the 10 Democrats who joined with Republicans to do it. You probably didn't hear about the dozens of Democrats who came to the well with him when he was censured, and they all started singing "We Shall Overcome," which is the song of the civil rights movement. This is incredibly powerful, and it should be the biggest story of the day. Senate Dems seem to also be listening. They posted short, punchy clips from their press conference about the dismantling of the Department of Education. Patty Murray, Chris Murphy, and Bernie Sanders. And the video from Forbes of the press conference has almost 125,000 views. Rep. Adriano Espaillat gave the Spanish Democratic rebuttal to the joint address, and Republicans hated it so much that they literally called him an illegal immigrant. He gave his response to this horrific insult to Simone Sanders Townsend. And for those of us who don't speak Spanish, I think this gives a great idea of what he spoke about. But if you do speak Spanish, you should watch his address. Robert Garcia is serious. He's doing town halls in Republican districts in California. So if you're in one, work with your local Indivisible or Democratic Party and get him to your district. Elizabeth Warren wrote 5 letters to the CEOs of Tesla, Amazon, Meta, Apple, and Alphabet, asking why billionaires should get tax cuts and regular Americans shouldn't. It's as brilliant as you expect from Elizabeth Warren. And finally, 2 people you probably don't like, but they did something good today, and we need to praise them for that. Hakeem Jeffries had a town hall with AG Tish James, which I've heard was incredible. And during it, he learned that Republicans are trying to go one step further and remove Al Green from committees. So he posted this very authentic video saying, "Not happening." It is exactly what we want from him every single day. And Schumer posted this really fantastic video, a takedown of the administration's attempt to dismantle the Department of Education. His videos are getting pretty good. If you don't automatically assume they're terrible, they are definitely worth a watch. And that's what I have for you today. I hope you found some new fighters. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.